I would with the remaining time, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, I want to share with you our 6G IC research and a strategy vision, which was developed with our industrial partner, and more specifically with industrial partners on a strategy advisory board. The more detailed information is in the white paper that is on our website that you can download and read more details. But what I will present here and share with you more specific to radio access network technology. The work on 6G has already started in ITU in parallel with evolution and optimization of the 5G through release 17, release 18, and future release 19, and could be release 20 part. So we are at the same pace as the international research on 6G from a starting point of view. So what is our vision? Our vision, I believe that it is quite unique. And we started with looking at a new clear use case with a clear business case. And we didn't set ourselves any KPIs for our research. For example, we don't say it has to be 100 times faster than 5G or 10 times lower latency, etc. We want to start with a use case and work at what sort of latency, what sort of speed, and what sort of capacity is required. While we are doing research on 6G, we need to be aware of the capability of the 5G's offering through 5.5G and as well as 6G, as well as release 17, 18, 19. But the foundation of our research that we built on our strategy is social and industry challenges that we are expecting that we'll be facing in 2030 plus. One is the productivity, another one is sustainability of environment, and the third one is overcoming digital divide. Some reason. This is, I lost my slide, I don't know, for some reason.
We can see you approach the next generation at the moment.
Yeah, I can't see my own slides, I don't know, for some reason. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, as Mike said, sorry. Can you see my slides now? Yeah. As Mike said, we believe that future to overcome, keep jumping between video and the screen. We believe that
we're on 6G for 2030, Rahim.
I know, but okay. We believe that future will be an integration between not only communication, but communication and sensing, and will be based on network of networks. The main elements of this network of networks, satellite communication to provide suburban and rural coverage, cellular, whether it is public or non-public networks, and personal area network or short-range communication, but in a sense that it will be fully integrated. The research is more focused on edge computing to enable 4D video through teleportation and enhance edge computing as well as processing. Direct satellite to user and do space MIMO, large intelligence surfaces, and sensing using terahertz through short range, as well as working with other disciplines on synthetic biology, as well as the new material. So the main focus of our research is provide overcoming digital divide through coverage, time synchronization, and geolocation accuracy. From the short range and wearable or personal area networks on the sensing, we are working on capturing all the ambient information about the person through terahertz communication, and that is image estimation and activity detection, plus other human sensors, as well as other ambient information like human sensors in terms of touch, smell, and taste, in addition to sight and hearing, and other information, ambient information about the person in terms of noise, light, air quality, proximity, pandemic, or anything that around that area. So why do we need a new generation? Most of the energy efficiency or spectral efficiency that we talked about, or integration between satellite and terrestrial systems, as well as short range, it can be done. It can be done with the 5G technology. But why we need a new generation? Because we want to do energy efficiency by design, not afterthought sort of parameter. With the new materials such as reflective intelligence surfaces, as well as the short-range personal area networking and terahertz, we will have a new RAN architecture. In addition to this, what differentiates 6G from 5G is high-quality time and frequency synchronization. Just to share with you, latency, the difference between latency and synchronization. Latency is about low delay between point A to point B, whereas the synchronization is a time difference between different flows, and it could be between A to B and C and D and etc. Whether it is objects or the people or virtual reality and etc. And that provides interactivity in a virtual and physical worlds. 5G was not designed for guaranteed time synchronization in mind. With the time synchronization and low latency, most of the 5G applications will be elevated to a new dimension. We can develop and do synchronized driverless and cooperative driving, cooperative manufacturing, new generation of entertainment, interactive telecare, as well as teleportation. On the radio side, which is the subject of this workshop, if we have high quality time and frequency synchronization, we can reduce the guard time, we can reduce the guard band, we can manage the interference between different networks. So the guard band between different operators network, it can be reduced. Distributed massive MIMO architecture, if they are fully synchronized, they all appear as one physical massive or ultra massive MIMO system. It can achieve fast spectrum sharing even at the packet level, and many, many more advantages on the radio side. To summarize, 5G was characterized by this triangle with the AI, artificial intelligence, in terms of higher speed, mass connectivity, reliability, and low latency. And most of the standards will be complete, and probably some of these will be deployed by 2026. We believe in 6G 2030 plus. We focus on the coverage to overcome digital divide, irrespective of the environment the user could be. Time synchronization would enable 4-dimension video, physical virtual worlds, interactivity, edge computing, as well as processing, and geolocation accuracy to sub-centimeter sort of accuracy, and the real-time update on the geolocation. So I exceeded my time by a couple of minutes. I would like to thank all the keynote talks, Mike and Joe, as well as all the technical talks presented will be presented for the rest of the day, for accepting our invitation. And I wish you an enjoyable day. I hand it over to Ian Gordon, who will chair the morning technical session. Ian, over to you.